My name is Colin Shepard, and I'm the VP of Engineering at RealBlocks.
My name is Matt Grierson. I'm the co-founder and head of product at RealBlocks. So RealBlocks is a platform that is basically building a marketplace to not only digitize premier real estate funds around the world, but also offer investor access in the United States and globally to these funds, connecting buyers with premier funds around the world.
Yeah, a lot of software companies, especially blockchain companies, are blockchain companies first that are solving some use case. We definitely think of ourselves as a finance company that is utilizing the blockchain. Yeah, definitely. For me, the biggest thing is just the trust that I can have in developers. I think oftentimes I'm telling them what I want done, not how I want them to do it, kind of the difference in imperative versus declarative statements. And so really the main thing is just the trust that I have in the developers.
Yeah, I mean, especially in the blockchain space, I think things change almost every day. So for us, it's very important to not only stay abreast of the latest technologies, but also have our partners like Coherent have people that specifically not only understand that, but are searching out innovation as well. I think not only are we able to use the latest technologies with our software developers, but we also get great recommendations from them, and I think that's an important piece of the puzzle.
Yeah, and they certainly understand that, and that actually plays itself out in the way we design our sprints and the way we design our epics, where we might say, here's step 1, here's step 2. Step 3, we're going to need to talk to our lawyers. We're going to need to see how the ecosystem develops before we can actually make that decision. So being able to have competent developers who can understand that and be a little bit flexible is definitely an advantage. Yeah, really, our day-to-day is 2 meetings a week via video conferencing, and then we're talking every day on Slack, and then also through our Jira comments.
Mm-hmm. Yep, we try to basically integrate them as part of our team, make it so that it's not an offshore team, it's part of our overall software engineering team.
Really just knowing that we're going to get quality developers, people that we can trust, people that we know are going to write reliable, extensible, robust code.
Yeah, people that can actually write recommendations too. I think especially in software consulting, there is a tendency to just agree with whatever the client asks or wants. I think Coherent does a good job of actually challenging and recommending different things based on experience. And even if we don't go with the solutions, I think it helps not only level us up as a team, but it helps us keep aware of the latest kind of trends and being able to understand other point of view, which I think is important.
Yeah, definitely. When we have a problem, I usually come to them with 2 to 3 things and say, here's what I'm thinking, and then I get feedback from them and we reach a decision together.
Peace of mind.
Competent developers.